Hello everyone. In the previous video I've explained you the reason why your seedlings are not growing, and in this video I will teach you how to fix that issue. Step 1 is to make a germination test of your seeds to find out in how many days your seeds will germinate. After that, you have to keep your seeds in a dark place for about 24 to 48 hours longer in order to develop more roots and to become a little leggy. Right here I have some romaine lettuce germinated seeds. Seeds have germinated 1 day ago, and for sure the roots have grown during the extra day sitting in the Ziploc bag. Let's check them out. I already can see a root coming. As you can see, the roots are now long, and I will take a rock wool. These are pre-cut pieces from a big block of rock wool. This is my way of growing my plants. I take a big piece of rock wool and I cutting according to the dimensions I need. So in step 2, take a rock wool and place the tiny seedling inside the rock wool like this, while you make sure that the root is getting outside the rock wool, enough to be able to reach the nutrient solution after I will place it in my hydroponic system. The reason why I'm using aluminum foil is because, first of all, it will keep the seed better, and secondly because I don't want to see any side roots. All the roots I would like to come from below. In this way you'll make sure all of your seedlings are absorbing the nutrient solution they need, and all of them have the chance to grow well and have the same growth rate without very much difference one from another. If you have any questions about this method, you can ask me in the comment section of this video, and I'll try to answer you as fast as I can. See you next time. Bye bye.